Let's cross back over to America to look at some big fucking trucks. There's some bloody hang time, followed by a sexy wheelie, and then there's a fucking front flip. Holy shitballs. This is where the good times are at in 2017. The driver is so excited he crashes, no one gives a fuck. He'll be okay. Yeah, no, he'll be okay. I never knew I could crack a stiffy from watching trucks. I am hard as a rock. Let's have a look at it again. I mean, I've seen monster trucks at the Perth Royal Show, but they never fucking do front flips. This truck is like one of them tiny fucking gymnasts in the Olympics. Look at it in slow-mo. It's a work of art. It's like a fucking Van Gogh. It's better than Banksy. Fuck yes, monster truck drivers. Fuck yes.